Hi, and welcome to the Books channel. With the holidays right around the corner, it's the perfect time to slow down, recharge, and spend time with the ones you love. Whether you're planning a cozy staycation, a family get-together, or a solo trip, your Books e-paper devices can help you settle into a meaningful and mindful holiday rhythm. If your holidays are all about family time, the Note Air 5C brings color and warmth to every moment without the harsh, distracting glow of LCD or LED tablets. Compared with the previous Note Air 4C, the Note Air 5C now features a smooth mode on e-ink wise. It makes browsing dynamic content, like cartoons or animations, noticeably smoother, turning holiday moments into small pockets of laughter and togetherness. You can hold it upright as you read bedtime stories wrapped in blankets with your kids. Running on Android 15, the Note Air 5C supports various third-party apps. You can download cozy mini-games like Crossword, Sudoku, and more from the pre-installed Google Play Store. When you need a quiet moment for yourself, the Note Air 5C also makes it easy to spend hours immersed in creative activities, like journaling or sketching. The 10.3-inch color e-paper screen offers soft hues and an upgraded handwriting texture that makes every stroke feel natural, keeping you immersed in creation throughout the holiday season. You can also pair it with the keyboard cover to turn it into a compact workstation for writing reflections or planning for the year ahead. If your holiday plans include a more deliberate, mindful journey, the Pommel 2 Pro can be a reliable companion that slips easily into your pocket. It keeps you connected without the clutter of constant pop-ups. With 5G connectivity and a simple form factor, it offers you convenience wherever you go. You can stream a focused holiday podcast, seamlessly sync your reading lists, download ebooks and comics, or check the weather and navigation through AGPS, all seamlessly. And when inspiration strikes on the road, you can use it as a pocket notepad with InkSense Plus. Finally, if this season is dedicated to learning, deep planning, or catching up on that stack of reading you've been saving all year, the Go 10.3 is your perfect catalyst for immersion. As our thinnest model, it's light enough to carry anywhere, just like holding a magazine. Its 300 ppi screen delivers crisp text without a front light, helping you stay focused in reading or personal writing sessions. This is especially suitable for bright environments, where the winter sunlight keeps the e-paper display clear and comfortable on your eyes. Within our native Notes app, you can take handwritten notes, organize ideas, and create mind maps for the coming year with various note-taking tools like Lasso, SmartScribe, and more. From shared family moments to quiet personal rituals, from reading to creating, every Books device brings a sense of calm and creativity into your holidays. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and happy holidays!